and they run operations in Cambodia, in Colombia, in Afghanistan, all of that. Now Martin had an affair with Mullins' wife.
What?
And our best friend now. And in the same breath, he was sending Tony on suicide missions. You know that little young you the way
Jump at anything.
in jump at anything, and you kind of envy his youthful exuberance. Because you see yourself in that book and you see a youth who could come take your position. So you say, well, we can just send him off and sit and just, and in return. Because he seen a young man that will come and question him one day. Because he question things and him ready. But he's eager to get them done anyway. So he used to send him out on these missions. There was moving of cocaine. There was the execution of some people in some place here. Mullins was a part of this, but Mullins had to be embedded in the organization like a dime. Nobody can know some agent. So when they move drugs on these things, people see him as a godfather type person, until they use that money to create the agency and protect them. So when Mullins decided, say, that was the deal with Martin from the investment side. If you're submerged yourself in a lifestyle here, but it is for the greater good.
And we will cut,
We just cut with this, or start the agency and then create something that we can protect them, because we would have had an idea of where the big cells are and how we will take them down. In court, Martin stayed. Martin said, too much money in this. I know. You gotta stay. Tony decided to stay with Martin. But then, in corrupt Tony into believing that all of these things, all of these suicide missions that I went on, was Mullins who sent us out there on it. So in here, Mullins like, police now. But when he got a chance to get to the top of the ladder, he said to himself, you know something, I should just get rid of Martin too now. Because how this youth move, how the big money move is that I will never become number one. You know, a thing will kind of hold them on. But he separated himself from them around the agency, Martin around this grand scheme. Tony is the little go for you, and he decided, no, I'm near the brains guys. And walk come, stand up this up, and take a deep breath, and it's is he? No, he's not. So, go on your phone. So, yeah.
Yeah, make sure you do some answer also.
Shoot.
Then I go to the answer, so can.
No, we have to hear the full conversation. Or have a cutaway which she summarizes answer.
What if when forward to say to her, say, coming later.
Right,
So
but we can't hear her
Okay.
voice unless we shoot her summarize having the conversation.
Have a conversation.
Rolling. Action.
But you might as well be.
Cut. Rolling. Action.
A gated community about Suarez.
I guess it comes about Suarez. Above. Was it something like in the below somewhere?
A gated community about Suarez. About 200 miles from civilization. Exactly. Mexican penitentiary.
Go. From the hand. From the hand.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, we look more. We look as a, yeah. That's it.
Rolling. Action.
I was hoping we could talk in private.
There's absolutely nothing hidden between us. You tell me, you tell her.
Sherry, the lean back there for me. The lean back is saying you can't hold.
But we
This
not
bitch ain't
gonna.
going nowhere.
Yeah.
Yeah. Rolling. Action. Cut. Rolling. Action.
You have anything you want to share with us?
No.
Yes,
No,
sir.
that's
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Yeah, okay.
Maybe you could say as well, maybe I should have introduced Angie another way. This is the successor I use.
This is my hero parent.
This is my heir apparent. So there's not much I speak about without her present. Rolling. You know about Angie?
Do I? Yes, I've been there and they were the agents and I was like, oh, you're with an agent, that's cute.
She don't know say no that agent, she don't know say me.
No, I didn't say she.
Okay.
This one saying that agent.
Okay. Right.
But she familiar with the name.
Yeah, she's a bit
Yeah,
good.
That's not really the case for your resumes.
So now you can have a couple of things to say. Okay. So as you are aware, well, is there anything that happened with Tony that would suggest that you're still trying to go half time? That
She was. Thought we had understood each other. You would not be interfering at this point. And I go, excuse me. And she was. The weapons that were in the container on the wall that I no longer play.
Thank you.
Where's the paper with the serial codes? I'm gonna just use my phone and
Oh, use your phone.
Yeah, you still have two for
I'll do
that?
it. Oh, alright.
So I thought we were in agreement that we would not interfere.
I thought we were. That's my name.
Yeah.
And the way you deliver it is a thin line between
In agreement with that.
you are not being impolite,
Yeah.
but you're being a little overbearing. Like you. I thought we were in agreement that you would not be interfering in the Esperanza case.
I thought we were in agreement that you would not be interfering in the Esperanza case.
There you go.
Better.
That's it. Let's try that.
I know what.